Hi there, my name is Askari and I'm going to continue our SDL series. In today's video I will show you how you can use SDL event to take input from mouse and keyboard and such. But first I will make some customizations. I will make a variable called running state by which I will check if my game is in running state or not. So let's start. First of all I will go in my game loop and I will make a boolean and I will call it game state. Then I will make a getter which I will name get game state. Then we will go to the CPP file and I will define the function here, the getter function. So a getter just return the variable and that is game state. In the beginning we should set it to the false. After that we are going to make our event function which will all handle all the events which we already created but we didn't define it. So now in the event function, before that I'm going to create another variable called SDL event and I will call it event1. And note that this is not a pointer, so there's no static before it. And in the event I will call a poll event function SDL poll event, and in this I will pass by reference my event function event variable, and I will set a condition if and I will set a condition if event one dot type is equals to SDL underscore quit, then game state is equals to false. Also we will have to make it true when our renderer is created, that means our game is in running state now, so we have to set here first our game state as true. So this is true here and false when we quit, that means when we press exit button. So I think that will do it, and I will go to the main function, and in the main function if instead of writing it 1 we can write it now our game state function. So it will stop automatically when whenever I will press quit button on the top. So this kick out of the loop and we go to the G clear. So there, so that should be it. And now I will run the code and let's see if it is working or not. So as you can see, red red color and this dark gray color were not appearing because we haven't set it to register anything. But now as you can see, if I click on the quit or if I try to minimize it, it will happen because we have set the functionality by adding SDL event. If I press here, it will quit and exit successfully. So that was it for this tutorial. If you like it, make sure you follow all the other tutorials. That's it for the video, and the next I will show you how you can take input using mouse. So bye.